This demo here is for a Denton DV502A, which is the auto pump down one. Here's a picture of the side view of the system, the back view, the chamber, and the other side. In the front here, we have the valve controller and the main controller to turn on the system and your pumps. Here is your thermal evaporation controller. You got two filaments, your amp gauge, turn it on, and your adjustment for your filament. This does not have rotation in the system. Here you have a vacuum gauge for your 4-line and chamber, and also your cold cathode gauge, which reads high vacuum. Right now the system is at 5 to the -6. Here's your chamber. Right now I'm going to turn on filament 2, which is hooked up to a graphite rod evaporator, and I'm going to turn on the power to go into it. And what I have there is just a coil basket that's used for thermal evaporation, so we can see it heat up. And as you can see, you got the basket there heating up. Now what I'm going to do is I have another one down for filament 1, and it's down a little bit lower. See, it's heated up, and you see the amp gauge showing about 35 amps, 33 amps. Now what I'm going to do is the auto pump down. I'm going to first turn off my cold cathode, and then I'm going to put it to vent and shut off my filament power. The system is venting. I'll show you that I can lift up the chamber, and I'm going to close it back up and then hit auto pump down. My bell jar's down all the way. Yep. Now you'll start seeing the vacuum gauge over here. You'll start seeing that come down. Crossover's around 100 millitorr. oscillator. You start seeing the valves over here change. And there you go, you see the backing on, and now you see your high vac valve opening. Now you'll see your chamber pressure drop. Now I can go ahead and turn on the cold cathode. It's already dropped down to the 4 range. Here's a 5 range. In the book it says that it should drop 2 and a 5 in about 2 minutes. 2 minutes or 3 minutes. And that's about it.